Lions do not live natively in China. Therefore, in China, the king of beasts is the tiger. The tiger is a symbol of power and courage. It is also the symbol of the yin energy, the earth and material goods and success. It's no wonder then that there are so many movements in Tai Chi named after the tiger. In today's episode of 100 Days of Tai Chi, we're learning a movement called stepping back to ride the tiger. After the 7-star punch, it's a 1 step back into a new empty step. The arms open and swing overhead, similar to crane spreads wings. Let's look at the footwork first. The right foot steps back 1 step. The weight shifts to the right foot, and the left foot replaces down empty step on the ball of the foot. The hands begin by first rotating the fist, right hand palm up, left hand palm down. Then the left hand opens the fist and extends forward. Both hands then circle horizontally, the left hand coming down by the hip and the right hand overhead.